I'm a techie. I like having the latest or fastest phone or tablet or whatever. I know the random specs that the average consumer doesn't. I watch all the keynotes, and consequently, I'm also the guy that has all the random cables in his bag to charge your phone or the brick that you need to charge whatever device you might have, whether it's Mac or PC, whether it's iPhone or Android. I got you. Except this one time when I was flying across the country after I'd spent some time with our Daily Bread team in Grand Rapids, and I forgot to charge my iPad. Me, the techie. I'm on the flight with no power. My power brick wasn't strong enough to power it. I was stuck with no power. How many times have you been the source of other people's security, other people's strength? Or how many times have you been the one with the answers in the meeting when there was a problem to be solved, or the strong friend that checks on everyone else but no one checks on you? Don't you feel empty? Don't you hate that feeling? Don't you hate feeling powerless? See, God's design, though, was never for us to function on our own strength. That's where pride is brewed. His design was for the Holy Spirit to occupy our minds and our hearts, and for us to rely on that power source to sustain us. And not only sustain us when we're strong or when we're full, but also when we're weak and when we're tired of pouring. When we're tired of just wishing we could fall into someone's arms. What's powering you today? What power are you leaning on? I ask myself that sometimes. Am I on my own power? Is it that I'm powering myself from the accomplishments or from people I know? That power doesn't last. How does that contrast with what powered Christ? Where did his power come from? And what does it say that we have access to that same power and sometimes we don't rely on it? It's our right, our privilege to access the very same power of the Holy Spirit that powered Christ and to rely on that strength, that power of the Father.